Today, we are going to meet Mr. Mrudul Mohan, a fresh engineering graduate who landed a tech job even before completing his graduation. He is a recent VIT Bhopal graduate who turned his passion into reality with the power of cloud and DevOps engineering course at IPSR. We are going to take you to his inspiring journey from a computer science student to a skilled DevOps professional. So, welcome, Mrudul, to IPSR cast.
Thank you.
Okay, so it's great to have you here. To start, could you please introduce yourself?
Sure, I'm Mrudul Mohan. I'm a native of Pathanamthitta, Adur. I recently graduated from VIT Bhopal with BTech in Computer Science and Engineering. Currently, I'm working as a DevOps associate at Guidehouse, located in Trivandrum.
Okay, so congratulations on your placement. Can you tell us about the course you took at IPSR?
I enrolled in the Cloud and DevOps course at IPSR. It was a comprehensive program that covered a wide range of topics from foundational Linux concept to advanced cloud technologies like AWS and Azure.
So, what motivated you to choose this course during your graduation? How did you land this course at IPSR?
So I have always been fascinated by the potential of cloud computing and DevOps. I saw a huge demand for skilled professionals in this field, and I wanted to equip myself with the necessary skill to succeed in the industry. So IPSR was highly recommended by the friends who had taken the course and found it very effective for securing jobs in the tech industry.
But did you have any prior experience in Linux before joining this course?
Not really. I had a basic understanding of Linux, but the course provided a solid foundation and helped me to gain practical hands-on experience.
So, can you describe the teaching methodology used at IPSR? Did you find it effective?
The teaching methodology at IPSR was a great blend of theoretical knowledge and practical application. The trainers used a combination of lectures, hands-on labs, and real-world project-based learning. This approach helped me understand the concept deeply and apply them to the real-world scenarios.
Okay. Did the course provide hands-on practical exercises and real-world scenarios? And how did this benefit your learning?
Absolutely. The course was packed with the hands-on exercises and projects. We worked on setting up servers, configuring networks, automating tasks, and deploying applications to cloud platforms. This practical experience solidified my understanding of concept and helped me to develop problem-solving skills.
Any particular instructors or mentors who made a significant impact on your learning journey at IPSR? Would you like to mention them?
Yes, I would like to mention Alexandru sir and Naveen sir. They were exceptional trainers with a wealth of industry experience. They were always patient and willing to help, and they made the learning process enjoyable. Their guidance and support were instrumental in my success.
Okay. So, what specific topics or skills did this cloud and DevOps engineering course cover? Did these skills benefit you in your new role?
Yeah, absolutely. The course covered a wide range of topics, including Linux, Docker, AWS, and other DevOps tools. These skills were incredibly beneficial in my current role at Guidehouse. For example, having a solid understanding of Linux and Docker helped me quickly get started with the infrastructure and deployment process used here.
Okay. Can you share any specific examples of how these skills you learned in the course have helped you prepare for the current job?
Absolutely. For instance, I frequently use Linux to manage server environments. Being comfortable with Linux commands help me to troubleshoot issues efficiently. On the Docker side, I am often working with containerized applications. The hands-on projects at IPSR prepared me well for managing Docker images, creating Docker files, and deploying containers. It made transitioning to a real-world environment much smoother.
So, how would you describe the overall learning environment at and facilities at IPSR?
The learning environment was excellent. The trainers were always available to help. It was a very collaborative atmosphere where you could freely ask questions and get the support you needed.
Did you receive any additional support or resources from IPSR outside of the course curriculum?
Yes, definitely. The faculty provide us with a lot of extra resources like study materials, mock interviews, and practice exams. This extra guidance was crucial for me when preparing for job interviews. Alexa, and Naveen sir were always ready to provide one-on-one mentorship, which helped me gain confidence.
Okay, so now let's talk a bit about your placement at Guidehouse and the hiring process. So, how did you initially apply for the position at Guidehouse?
I basically applied through a job portal recommended by IPSR's placement cell, and they guided me through the process and ensured I was well prepared for the interviews.
So, how long did the entire hiring process take from the initial application to receiving the final offer?
The entire process took about almost 1.5 months. It involved an initial screening, followed by technical rounds focusing on Linux, Docker, and DevOps concept. Final interview round was a mix of technical and behavioral questions.
Okay, so what factors do you think contributed to your successful placement at Guidehouse?
I believe my hands-on experience with Linux and Docker, along with the project I completed at IPSR, played a significant role. The interviewers appreciated my ability to demonstrate practical knowledge and problem-solving skills. Plus, the mock interviews at IPSR helped me to become comfortable with answering questions under pressure.
Okay, so were this your first interview or you had interviews before?
It was my first interview.
Okay, so first interview itself you got placed, right? That's a
Yeah,
great That's a
yeah.
great achievement. Okay. So, any specific advice would you give to other students preparing for the job interviews in the particular DevOps and cloud field?
My advice would be to focus on hands-on skills. Obviously, the theory is important, but being able to apply that knowledge in practical scenarios is what really sets you apart. Practice as many mock interviews as possible, and don't be afraid to make mistakes during learning. It's all part of the process.
Okay. So, what would you say to someone considering taking a course at IPSR?
IPSR has a fantastic course structure and experienced faculty. Whether you are a beginner or looking to upskill, the courses are well tailored to industry needs. I would definitely recommend it to anyone looking to kickstart or advance their IT career.
Okay. Is there anything else you would like to add or any specific message you would like to convey to people who are looking to get a job in the IT industry?
Yes, I would just say I never stop learning. The IT field is constantly evolving, and being up to date with the latest tools and technologies is crucial. Whether it's learning a new cloud platform or mastering DevOps tools, continuous learning is a key to success.
Okay. So, what were your expectations from cloud and DevOps engineering course, and did IPSR meet them?
Yeah, I expected to learn in-depth concept, work on a real-world project, and prepare myself for industry standard certifications. IPSR definitely exceeded those expectations. The practical exposure and industry insight provided by the trainers, especially Alex sir and Naveen sir, were invaluable.
Okay. So thank you so much, Mrudul, for sharing your inspiring story with us today. We wish you all the very best to your career in IT.
Thank you. It was a pleasure being here.
Our motive is to share inspirational stories of our students who have made the impossible possible through IPSR. Are you confused about what to choose as the next step towards your career? We would love to help you achieve outcomes like this. Contact us, and our educational counselors will help you out. If you have any IT related doubts, you may comment below so that we can help you answer those questions in our IPSR Cast series. I will leave the link of the IPSR Cast playlist in the description as well. So, see you in the next video of IPSR Cast. Thank you and have a great day.